If your baby could talk,
Mommy, this lotion is so itchy. I have so many rashes already.
what are you going to do? Hi, I'm Chat De Los Santos. I'm a cosmetic chemist and certified naturopath, bridging science and nature for your skin. Safe ba talaga ang ginagamit mo kay baby? Baby skin is about 30% thinner than adult skin, kaya mas prone sila sa irritation and allergies. Number 1 na kailangang iwasan para kay baby is perfume, a common cause of irritation and allergies in babies dahil sensitive pa ang skin barrier nila. Number 2, harsh surfactants like SLS or sulfate. Kung sa adult skin, drying and irritating na, lalo na sa baby's delicate barrier. Worst case, pwede itong mag-lead to irritant contact dermatitis, red itchy rashes na sobrang uncomfortable kay baby. Number 3, formaldehyde-releasing preservatives. Ginagamit to prevent bacteria, molds, and yeast. Pero they slowly release formaldehyde, a skin sensitizer. Ibig sabihin, pwede nitong gawing mas sensitive ang skin over time and trigger rashes or allergic reactions. And the safest choice? Look for products that are fragrance-free, sulfate-free, and use gentle preservatives proven safe for babies. Kung gusto mong matutong mag-formulate ng safe and effective skincare, even gentle products for kids, I have a training for you. DM me if you're interested.